Hi there. Welcome to LingTalk, where you learn English through real conversations. Today's topic is at the cafe. We'll learn how to order drinks, make small talk, and sound natural in English. Let's start. Part 1. Arriving at the cafe. Hi. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please, have a seat.
Thank you. Could I see the menu, please?
Of course, here you go.
Thanks. What do you recommend?
Our bestseller is the caramel latte. It's sweet and creamy.
Sounds delicious. Do you have non-dairy milk?
Yes, we have almond, oat, and soy milk.
Great. I'll take an oat milk caramel latte, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like anything to eat?
Maybe a muffin. What flavors do you have?
Blueberry, chocolate chip, and banana.
Blueberry sounds perfect.
All right, one oat milk caramel latte and one blueberry muffin.
Yes, that's right.
To stay or to go?
To stay, please.
Okay, it'll be ready in a few minutes.
Part 2. Making small talk. This place is really cozy. I love the atmosphere.
Thank you. We try to make it warm and relaxing.
The music is nice too, not too loud.
Yeah, we choose soft jazz in the morning.
That's perfect for studying or reading.
Exactly. Do you come here often?
Not really. It's my first time here. I was just walking by and saw your sign.
Oh, I'm glad you stopped by.
Me too. The smell of coffee pulled me in.
Happens to a lot of people. Here's your caramel latte and your muffin.
Wow, that looks great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Part 3. Compliments and conversation. This coffee is amazing. It's really smooth.
I'm glad you like it. We roast our beans locally.
Really? That's cool. Where's the roastery?
Just a few blocks away, near the river.
I'll have to visit someday.
Definitely. They do free tastings on weekends.
Oh, that sounds fun. Do you work here full-time?
Yes, I'm the assistant manager.
Nice. You must really like coffee.
Absolutely. I've been working with coffee for 5 years.
Wow, I can tell. You really know your stuff.
Thank you. Do you like coffee too?
I love it. But I can't drink too much. It keeps me awake all night.
Yeah, caffeine can do that.
Part 4. Extra order and checkout. Excuse me, can I get one more latte to go?
Sure, the same one?
Yes, oats milk caramel latte, please.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
Let's see. The muffin and 2 lattes. That'll be $11.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Tap or insert your card, please.
Done.
Great. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Here's your to-go cup. Be careful, it's hot.
Got it. Thanks for the great service.
My pleasure. Hope to see you again soon.
Definitely. Have a great day.
You too.
Explanation section. Let's go over some useful expressions from today's conversation. Is this seat taken? Used to ask if you can sit somewhere. Could I see the menu, please? Polite way to ask for the menu. What do you recommend? Ask for a suggestion. To stay or to go means eat here or take away. Can I pay by card? Means can I pay with a credit or debit card? Be careful, it's hot. A friendly warning. Hope to see you again soon. A polite goodbye. These are all very natural expressions used in real English conversations at cafes.
practice section. Now, let's practice. I'll say each sentence slowly. Repeat after me. Is this seat taken? Could I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'll take an oat milk caramel latte. How much is it? Can I pay by card? Thanks for the great service. Hope to see you again soon. Excellent. You're doing great. Thanks for watching LingTalk. Learn English naturally, one real conversation at a time. Don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos.